Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new sewing machine. It is the HC3010 from Brother. I got it from Costco's website. It was the one with the best reviews and I'm so excited, so let's open it. So I'm just opening it up. Oh. Okay, so here's when you open it. And you just have the DVD and the instruction manual. But I think I'm going to fully pull it out because there's not really much to see here. Okay, so here it is straight out of the package, and let's set it up. Okay, so here is what the machine looks like. It has a bunch of settings that my old one definitely did not have. So I'm excited to look at that. And then it came with the extra extender on the table, which is super nice. And then the foot pedal and the power cord, which is actually nice how the foot pedal is not directly connected to the power cord anymore. I just think that that's going to be easier to set up later. And then just a bag of miscellaneous things that some of these I have no idea what they are. So I'm going to read the instructions and set it up. Okay, so I have my thread on here, and then it shows you to go through the hook around here, around this hook through here, and then down. This is a little bit more steps than the one I'm used to, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hold this piece, and we're going to see how this works. Okay. Alright, that was a lot easier than I anticipated. Okay, so I just went ahead and got it all set up. I have my bobbin in and threaded. I just figured it'd be easier off camera, but I just wanted to go over some of these. So this is the speed, and this is the automatic threading, the needle thing. This is obviously reverse. Oop. And I'm honestly not sure what the up button is or what I literally just did. So this is really high tech compared to mine. There's a bunch of buttons and obviously a bunch of different, these are all different like threads or stitches you can do. And so this is a little bit insane. I have no idea what I am doing. Yeah, I literally don't know what I'm doing. I'm hoping that I have it set to 0, which is just regular. And yeah, I think this is tension and this is like your stitch length. So I'm gonna set it to 2 and see how this goes. Okay, so this is my first shot at it. I haven't really adjusted anything. I did press that button and I don't know what it did. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. As you can see, I have it set to the lowest speed setting, and then I'm getting to the point where I need to hit reverse, so I only have one hand because I am using a gimbal, but okay. Looks like it's doing pretty good. I'm not sure I'm going to sew on the slowest setting forever, but just to give you guys an idea, it is very smooth, and I'm going to pull it up and see what we got. So there's the threads. I think that's pretty good. I like this machine a lot. The sewing machine I was previously using was actually my mom's. It's a Kenmore 17, I believe, or something of that nature, and it's super old, so it just needs a little bit of maintenance done to it, but I figured since I am moving out eventually, it would just be nice to get my own, and I saw this one on the Costco website, so I just gave it a shot. It was about $300 with taxes and everything in Canadian, so just keep that in mind. This was on the Canadian website, and yeah, I'm going to play around with it a little bit more and see how it goes, but I will update you guys after. Okay, the last thing I wanted to do on this video is try one of these special stitches. I think I have it set up to do this heart one. I know it's probably not going to be like obviously embroidery level stitching, but I just wanted to see how this goes. So so I did about 4 hearts, I believe, so let's take it up and see what we got. So there is the little hearts. I did it in the same color just so you guys could see it on the pink, but how absolutely adorable is that? Oh my gosh. So keep in mind how many different stitches you can do. So there's like leaves and 4-leaf clovers and just so many cool things on this machine, and I'm super excited to keep on using it. So look forward to maybe some new sewing videos in the future. I have a few projects that I want to try. I'm going to try to perfect them obviously before I show you guys, but hopefully in the next month or so I'll have another sewing video up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you like this content to see more like it, and I'll see you in the next one.